Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch from the iPhone, we need to open the Zepp application. And once you open the app, you probably will see the home page. Tap on the device. Actually, let me just skip this pop-up. So tap on the device icon, then scroll through the device page, find the Unpair button, tap on it, then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair. And the watch will disappear from the device page. It will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And now we can also go to the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. So go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to Bluetooth. And here you should see AMAZFIT GTS 4 on the list of devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget device and forget device. Okay. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.